Video is definitely not sponsored. I purchased this unit with my own coins, my own money. So now I'm just going over all the curls I did just to put more volume into this unit. I'm done curling my hair, but every time I curl my hair, I like to start working my way a little bit up at the top. Because when I start curling my hair, I just grab little sections. But now this is gonna give the hair more volume, adding little pieces of more curls, little sections. Yeah. This hair curls pretty. This. I love these curling irons. everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Porshap, and if you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Before you leave, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss a new upload when I do post. Let's jump right into this video. I wanted to mention that this video is definitely not sponsored. I did purchase this unit with my own coins, my own money, and I'm just gonna let it just out before I get into this video that I will not be purchasing from this hair company. This hair company got bad customer service. I wasn't pleased or having it with this hair company. This hair does look nice because I'm about to do a review on it, but their customer service sucks. I think they're scammers, and I will get further into detail on my next video about this hair company. So this is a 5x5 HD lace closure unit. It's glueless, so I didn't glue this unit on. I'm surprised because I usually glue my lace closure wigs on, but this time around it actually fits very snug to my head. So like once I'm done with it, I can just pop it off and don't have to worry about cleaning up the glue. And so I'm very pleased. This is like, I told my husband, like, this might be my everyday wig. Like, it's so natural looking. It's nice. What I can say is I'm not pleased with this hair company. So if you keep up with my channel, I will be uploading my next video on how I personally feel about this hair company and why I would not make another purchase with this hair company. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe please, and keep up with me because I will be uploading that video next on my list. I'm not trying to bash them, but hey, I spent a lot of money for this unit, and I feel like my customer service with this unit, as a first time customer ever ordering from this hair unit, I felt really disrespectful. If I'm spending buku coins on this unit, I expect my unit to come correct, not half step, and I'm gonna get into that on my next video. But yes, this hair got a lot of body. 24 inches is pretty good, a good length to curl your unit. This hair, as you see, holds a curl pretty good. The curls are nice. I love these curls that I just created in this unit. Like I said, this probably will be my everyday wig. The only thing I might do eventually is dye this unit jet black. I really do like my jet black hair, but for now I'm cool with the natural black look. But yeah, this hair, it's really nice. Like, the HD unit is fabulous. I didn't do no baby hairs. I'm just sick of all the baby hairs. You know how you just want a slick look? It's like sometimes baby hairs can be just overdoing it. I mean, it looks nice without the baby hairs. It's just, I don't know. I guess some girls like all that baby hairs. Sometimes I do, but I'm like more of a slick middle part look. And y'all can keep the baby hairs. I'll let y'all have the baby hairs. But yeah, this unit is from ear to ear. So it's not even glued on. So right here. So it fits my head perfect. Like, to the point where I don't even have to worry about gluing the unit down. Yeah. It looks so natural. Like, this is the lace right here, and this is the lace right here. So 5x5 is pretty good. But sometimes I'm not really into frontals no more. I just feel like frontals are just, I just feel like they're too much work. Like, every week you gotta scrub the frontal, you gotta glue it back on from ear to ear. I think if you guys don't want to do all that, you don't want to deal with all that gluing from ear to ear, cleaning your lace frontal, get you a 5x5 lace closure unit, or maybe get a 6x6 lace closure unit. Damn, get a 4x4 lace closure unit. They all do the same thing. It's just sometimes frontals to me now, they're just too much work. Especially like when you glue it from like sometimes the glue always lifts like right there by your earlobe. Oh gosh. But yeah. What you guys think about this hair unit? And comment down below what you guys feel about this hair company. Have you guys ever ordered hair from this hair company? And what was your experience with this hair company? Because me, I did not have good experience whatsoever with this hair company. I am so like fed up with this hair company, but I can say the hair looks great. It looks good. It got a lot of body, a lot of luster. So yeah, I can say that. Like I said, this might be my everyday wig. We'll see how this hair holds up. Only had it for a few days, so who knows. But further ado, if you enjoyed this video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can also hit that notification bell right here so you will never miss a new upload when I do post. You can also like this video right here. You can subscribe to my channel right here. It's free. And until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye.